Under the Fourth Amendment, all arrests must meet the objective reasonableness standard established in Graham versus Connor, 489 U.S. 386-1989. Force is evaluated by three factors: severity of the alleged crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether they were actively resisting.
Just don't touch me. It's that simple. No, I understand. You gotta... Idiot.
No, we're not losing, bro.
This nightclub is a lot of people.
Bro, you hit me first, not you?
I understand, man. I can't do anything, you know, we're the law. So,
I'm out, dog. I'm out. I'd rather be out.
I know, I understand.
You never come to this fucking festival.
I told you we're gonna leave early, you know?
What do we need to leave?
We're gonna wait for them? Wait for the statement.
Right, who? Hey, this is Sergeant. He's a sergeant. You can tell him that I'm drunk. I
wait for Polito. I wait for Polito. She's requesting Sergeant. I know, I saw that. Hey, tell Polito she's requesting him.
Back to the camera, but I'm requesting.
Hey, listen, you need to chill out. Hey,
Sir, he hit me.
you better aggressive. Stop it, bro.
He hit me. What are you talking about? You're outside.
I watched everything already.
You watch everything just because you got
Yo, relax. Yo, relax.
Sir,
about to go.
Yo, some better.
What are you talking about? You weren't even inside, so you're talking like you know.
Bro, do you know who you're talking to?
Sir, he hit me first.
Doesn't matter. You're talking to a cop. Who the hell you think you are?
He hit me
You already
first.
touched me, and I told you not to touch me.
I have witnesses. It doesn't matter. Just because you got a cop and you got a camera.
Yo, some better. 50 with me? 50 with me? Yeah. Yo, back up. Yo, back up. Yo, back up.
No, he's not gonna touch me.
Yo, on the fucking ground.
Whatever makes you feel better, bro. You're a piece of shit. That's just a fucking man, no? Whatever makes you feel better.
I'm trying to help you.
Doesn't make you feel better at home. Go ahead.
Trust me, she'll make me feel a lot better than you.
Yeah, you're obviously manhandling me for no reason.
No, because I told you.
Manhandling me for
I
no
told you
reason.
don't
Look what
touch
a
me.
piece of shit he
I told
is.
you don't touch me.
Look how he's touching me. Don't fucking touch me.
Hey.
Don't fucking touch me. You piece of shit. Obviously you have home. Obviously you have home trauma, bitch. That's why you're grabbing me like that, right? Why is he grabbing me like that? Exactly. Exactly. You don't know. Exactly. That's why you're piece of shit. That's what the fuck you are. You're a piece of shit, bitch. What the fuck you are, bitch. Obviously you don't know. Fucking piece of shit. You're like a piece of shit like you are. Your girl treats you like that.
Hey.
I don't know whose this is, but I just got that on there.
Listen, I'm gonna give you one warning. Okay, on camera. Get the fuck out of here right now. Or you're gonna sit in the backseat of it. But you just fucking spit on me and we're not fucking playing those games.
But I got it on camera.
We have
all the picture of him all scratched, mouth is open, and his ID.
Yo, I'm 5x5.
What?
I cuffed her. She kicked me.
Oh no! Are you kidding me?
Yeah, and she spit on me.
No, she didn't.
I swear to God. And she broke my camera.
No, she didn't. Are you kidding me?
When we put her inside the thing, she spit on it.
She broke my camera. She kicked me, and then she spit on me.
Oh my God! All right. Yeah, no.
She's 5x5. I can't go at me. And she broke. It's on. I just can't go at me.
Wait a second, no, I got you.
Nah, I'm just letting you know. Don't go at it. Nah, it broke.
What happened with it? Let me see.
He said he recorded it. This guy, the security guy said he
I don't think it's recording.
No, it is, Sarge.
Reset it. Turn it off. How did it break? Fell down?
Yeah. It shows resistance. See, look, it shows it's recording.
Yeah, but turn it off. I don't see a button.
Let me try to.
Let me see what it says. Yeah, but it's. No, I don't even think it's not even flashing. Turn it on off. See it turn it off. Go hard, turn it off.
Here, the subject was a small woman charged with a misdemeanor altercation. No weapon, no flight attempt, no documented active resistance at the moment. Force was applied. A wall slam takedown under those conditions fails the proportionality test. The 11th Circuit affirmed this in Miller versus Hargett, 458F, 3D 125 12006. Verbal resistance alone does not justify escalated physical force. On the First Amendment, the subject's profanity directed at officers is constitutionally protected speech. City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987 is unambiguous criticism of law enforcement, however aggressive, cannot form the sole basis for arrest. The disorderly conduct charge under Florida statute 877.03 requires acts that corrupt public morals or outrage public decency. The Florida Supreme Court clarified in State versus Saunders 1976 that mere profanity does not meet this threshold. The resisting without violence charge under Florida statute 843.02 is legally dependent on the underlying arrest being lawful. If the arrest itself was unconstitutional, this charge collapses entirely.
Where to get a charger? You need me to charge your phone? You want to buy one or you want to charge your phone for a little bit? What phone do you have? You have one? 6311.
61?
6311.
Yes, stand over here.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, we're in the middle of something. Sorry about that. So,
They're saving us right now.
what happened, bro?
Huh? I don't know, this girl hit the security guard and then something happened out here that...
Oh. Got it?
Yeah, not right now. Huh? No, I'm good. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's see, hold on. We gotta check in or no?
Huh? I'll check it now.
Check in now? Like, I know this lady's here right now.
Who is?
Look at that. So, but we need a transport for her. She's combative and stuff. We're not taking it. Because those days, they all come off negative. Ain't no two more, nothing. No supervisor here. So, we need it. This is the way we're going to take this one out here. We're going to transport this chick out of here. Where's Polito?
That way, you're amazing. Thank you.
Where's Polito? Talking to the
What's your name again? Okay, what happened today, Jackie?
Exactly what happened. I was in upstairs with my friend. He looked at my bag. I have no drugs in my system, no nothing. I was dancing and some rich guy pushed me. And when I pushed him back self-defense, he called somebody, and the next thing I know, I was down here. I was talking to the security guard. She was a black female, and I said, ma'am, I didn't do anything. She goes, don't say nothing, just explain everything to the people downstairs. I came downstairs. Little guy over there was cool as hell, slammed me against the board, put me in the handcuffs. I told him, why you gotta slam me? I'm not resisting arrest or anything. You know, you guys have your camera. I appreciate you guys have your camera on. They don't have their camera on. They've been rude as hell to me, okay? And I don't appreciate this. I'm in the medical field. And I don't appreciate that a nurse, when someone pushes them and they're having a good time, I have no drugs in my system. They have my wallet, they have my purse. You can see everything that's in my purse. I just want to go home. My friends left. They were in the corner trying to talk to them. They were being mean as hell. I just want to go home or take them to the station. I've been behind this car seat more than an hour.
Okay, we're gonna make sure all the paperwork is done so you can go, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you have any questions for us?
No, I just want to get out of here. I've been back here for more than an hour.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, no problem.
You know what's funny that you're wearing your camera, but homeboy over here is not wearing his camera. I would have loved to have the camera when I got arrested. I would have loved to see that.
What's going on, brother?
The most serious legal issue, Florida statute 943.1718 mandates body cam activation during all enforcement encounters. The arresting officer's camera was non-functional at the only moment that mattered. The subject reported overhearing the arresting officer tell colleagues the camera was off and not charged. If intentional, this constitutes deliberate evidence suppression, a potential criminal act, not a policy infraction. Under Brady v. Maryland, 373 U.S. 831963. Suppression of evidence favorable to the defense violates due process. The absence of primary footage benefits the defense at every contested factual point. 6 charges were filed: battery on a law enforcement officer and threatening a LEO are third-degree felonies under Florida statute 784.07 and 836.12. Both require intentional, willful conduct, not reactive behavior during an allegedly unlawful arrest. A viable Section 1983 federal civil rights claim exists under 42 U.S.C. 1983 if the force was excessive and the camera was deliberately deactivated. Qualified immunity would not shield conduct that violates clearly established constitutional law.
All right. You got a pair of handcuffs. Let's see what this looks like first. What would it say? First off, like your shirt.
Thank you, sir.
Where'd you get from?
Alina. The one that does, yeah.
Oh, down 22nd Avenue?
Mm-hmm. And Caesar sells the patches. Yeah, she's always.
She got the patches and all that too?
No, Caesar sells the patches.
She sell the patches?
Caesar.
Oh, Caesar, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's this, a Club 11?
You know it, Club Space, Club 11, all the same. These your handcuffs, bro?
No.
No?
I think they're Lavernia's.
No, his boyfriend's. Yeah, the one you helped lie on the report. Right? The one that walked out and said, hey, my camera's off, it doesn't work. That was a lie, right? Don't worry about it. You think I'm a broke little girl? It's okay. You'll see me. Remember my face, though. Truly remember my face.
Ma'am, you need the water, use the restroom?
Some water, please.
Right here. You good, G. Yeah, I'll be safe out there, man. What's his primary unit number, just in case I need to call y'all back?
Just call me.
Yeah? Okay, I got you. Y'all gonna be there for a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah, all right.
Whatever you need to do, just do it. Don't play sex, though. This is not TJK, though.
No, we're gonna take you.
I told him what I had to tell him. You're a liar, and I saw what you guys were talking about, and I'm gonna remember that shit. The guy that put the handcuffs on me, I remember him talking to his little friends, telling him, guys, my camera was broken and not charged. When I repeated what he said, you know what he did, officer? He put the window up. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You guys have amazing officers working out here. Lying on themselves, lying on people. It's okay. And you can say I'm from 11 in space, but you don't see me drugged up like all these other people. Drunk? Yeah. Probably a couple of drinks, yes. But drugs, no, I don't do drugs. I'm not a joker. I don't do that shit. But having people lying on you, that's where it's not okay.
You still pending? Wow.
It's still pending. The report?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's how much they're lying. Officer, can I speak to someone? Because what I went through, it's really not humane. I know you see me just like this, you're gonna judge me based on that.
I don't judge anybody
Okay,
or anything.
but
It's
let me
not
tell you,
what's up here and what's in here. That's how I judge people.
Okay. I just got there with my friend. I have
Especially
three
my friend, male, female.
You checked the bag already?
male.
Nope.
He was even talking to the club. The officer's like, yo, my girl didn't do anything. I had three gin and tonics. I'm telling you right now. You can look at my credit card, everything that I described. 3 gin and tonics. I'm dancing. Some rich guy pushed me. I'm short. I'm not that tall. The guy was tall.
I can see that.
So when he pushed me, it's anybody reaction. I went like this. My boyfriend grabbed me. Don't push him. I pushed him. You know what he did? He pulled out a phone. He started going like this. Next thing I know, I got securities on me. I was like, I female. I told her, hey man, he pushed me. He goes, don't say nothing. Wait till we get outside and you give your story. That's exactly what I did. When I get outside, obviously I know they deal with a lot of crazy people. They threw me straight to the cops. And I'm like, hey, listen, the guy little guy. He started manhandling me. I go, why you manhandling me? I'm a little truck, so I'm a little bit real mouthy. I'm like, why you manhandling me? No, not him. He's super sweet.
Oh, you're sweet.
I'm like, not sweet, but he's a good officer.
Yeah.
He's been treating me like the respect that any officer would treat any other person.
Until it get cleared, or?
Okay? There's no drugs, there's no drugs. Any drugs off you right now. Okay? Literally, get drugs off. Sir, I work for Jackson right here on 12th Street. I'm an X-ray tech, and I work in the OR and spine. Okay? I work with really good officers, we're really good doctors. And the point that officers treated me like a piece of shit out there, when I'm trying to talk to them and tell them my side of the story, you think I want to lose my license as an X-ray tech working at Jackson? No, I don't.
You're not going to lose your license.
Well, that's not what the officer told me. You know what the officer told me that wrote the report? You're going to remember me because you have a felony. That's what he told me. A felony or what? So when he started manhandling me, I told him, why you gotta grab me like that? Oh, you think you're better? You're a man now because you grabbed me like that? So when I was talking to him like that, he got mad. So I'm gonna be honest, because I was mouthy. I said, you a man because you're handling me like this when I'm not even resisting arrest? So he slapped me like that. My friend's like, ma'am, sir, please don't treat her like that. She didn't do anything. They told my friend, get the fuck out of here. My friend left. And my friend looked at me like this, he goes, I can't do anything. It was like 5 of them Cuban. Do you know how Cuban squad is? If you ain't, they were there talking shit. And they had the window down. I heard the one that was writing the report on me say, guys, the camera was off, it wasn't charged. And I go, what did you guys say? I heard what you say, they put the window up. I have nothing to lie. Obviously, I want to get to my cell quick so I can kill my bell's mom, so I can get out of here quick because, honestly,
Okay.
if someone pushes
Alright,
me
fellas.
and I push them by,
Yeah? I'll get it for you. I'll get it. Okay, yeah.
The woman was charged with battery on a Leo.
Grades. The arresting officer receives a D. Force was disproportionate. The body cam was non-functional. And the charge sheet is not supported by available evidence. The secondary officer receives a B- professional on camera, but no visible action taken regarding his colleague's conduct. The subject receives a B. She did not resist further after handcuffing, provided a coherent account, and preserved the most critical evidence by repeating the camera admission allowed on record. Her verbal conduct was legally protected but tactically costly. The department receives a C-. No supervisor intervened to document the camera failure before charges were filed. 6 charges against a citizen with no corroborating video from the arresting officer is an institutional accountability failure. Lesson: your right to speak and your tactical interest in staying silent are not the same thing. Every word spoken during an arrest is evidence. Invoke your right to remain silent. Do not negotiate your innocence on a street corner. If you observe an officer's body cam go dark during your arrest, state it clearly and audibly for any active camera nearby. You cannot turn the camera back on, but you can create a record that it was off. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching.